Welcome back, folks. Deutschland Dan, the tool man, back in the tool room, and I'm ready to unbox this wood burning stove in order to put that out in the Russian bear tents. Kind of working within the parameters of the same spot where I was setting up that chicken wire vent hood cover to keep the raccoons out, and it's all buried under snow now. We got about 2 feet, expecting another foot, so the rest this afternoon and evening. So yeah, let's unbox this bad boy, and I'll be setting that up once the snow lets up a bit. So, alright, luckily, instructions, unlike the Russian bear tent, are in English. And it looks like Japanese or something in the back there, so. Alright, safety and stuff. Okay, dangers. Yeah. Alright, so. Lots more dangers. Okay, that's just about set up and exhaust and heat and fire. Yeah, don't let kids play with it. Fine. Okay. Don't leave it unattended. Yeah. Okay. And warnings about setting up the pipe. So, the tuning. Alright, here we go with instructions. Oh, we got in auf Deutsch, yeah? Wunderbar. Okay, assembly instructions. We got. Alright, let's just make sure we got all the pieces here. Got a whole lot of styrofoam back removed here. Keep that. Just need to send it back for fixing or something. What have you. I'm not sure how much the warranty is. Usually these things, they get a 1-year warranty. Doesn't mention anything about warranty though. I guess I'll have to read the receipt from Canadian Prepper. Alright, more styrofoam boxed in here pretty well. Looks like it's one complete unit. I just have to assemble the pipe. So, let's take this bad boy out. Alright, stove body, grade 1 air flow controller pipes ×4. Different in design, spark arrestor, ash scraper, and top lid. Okay. Always remember to wear gloves when assembling to prevent injury. Right. Fully unfold all legs as shown. Okay, let's pop this out first. It's fairly heavy. 25 pounds. Oh, okay. That's, well, let's move the box. Room to operate here. Alright, so that's what it looks like there. So you can see right through there on that side. And this side here. I'm going to grill a roast chicken in here. So it's not a bad little unit. Alright, so first step, fully unfold all legs as shown. Okay, those be these things here. Okay, spring loaded. Let's go. Oh, just 3 legs. Okay, tripod. And then install the grate from after taking out all accessories from inside the firebox. So maybe this door here. More styrofoam. Actually, let's just put all this in the boxes. Okay. So I guess that's the ash scraper there. Yeah, let's set that aside for now. Let's take out this piece here. Carefully. There's the styrofoam. Guess this is the spark arrestor. Right there. With the, yeah. Full controller. More styrofoam, oh boy. More Lembas bread. So, should have 4 pieces of pipe there. So, 2, 3, 4. This is the airflow controller. So keep those separate there. And the grate. Okay. Flip this stable. Oh. Alright, let's put the pipes this side here. Alright, next page. Install the grate. Oh, right. Step 3. German 3. This 3. This just looks odd. Glorious backgrounds. I guess that. Which way does it go up? Up. Yeah, we'll do this one. Looks a bit rusty though, doesn't it? Oh. Do it. There we go. Slides a bit, but yeah, should be fine. Next step. Now we flip over to the next page. Install the pipes. Okay, so we got to install the airflow controller at the bottom. Okay, I should be able to just screw that in with this part sticking up. Oh, doesn't need to screw. And which way is it facing? Out. Kind of weird that it's just got different model, I guess, because this one shows 4 legs. Cool. It's coming along there. Alright, I don't know if I'm going to install the whole pipe now, because otherwise it's going to be a pain in the ass. It's going to... Yeah, I could get one more in, but it's going to be too much, I think, so I think we'll just install these here. Now, they're going to slide. Okay, well, I just keep it in 2 parts. And then the spark arrestor goes on top of one of them there. Just make sure it fits. Why is that not? Oh, like that. Yeah, there we go. That works. So that should also be going that way. That makes sense. That fits in there. Yeah, okay. Alright. And then, what am I supposed to do with this? Ash scraper. Need the ash scraper. For a spark arrestor, applicable to L-size stoves. I don't know if I have an L-size stove. S-size spark arrestor, M-size and L-size, so small, medium, large. Okay, so the airflow control at the bottom. To avoid affecting the use of water tank, please make the handle of airflow controller face to side or backward. To prevent the unsafe situation of pipe shaking in windy conditions or the accidental topping of the stove, it is necessary to use Winterwell guideline peg set to fix the 3 eyelets hooks of the spark arrestor and to fix the legs of the stove to maintain the stability. So, it's not that windy out, so... The length of guy ropes depends on the height of the chimney. It is very important to use the guy ropes attached to the guy ropes. Okay, well, yeah. Instructions for spark arrestor. Oh, that's for large stoves. Okay, well, this one is, I think, medium. Yeah, M for medium. There. Yeah. Alright. Yep. Okay. I think that's about it. So next video will be me setting that up in the Russian bear tent, or trying to make my way to the Russian bear tent. I got to put on my snow pants and jacket and get all bundled up and ready for all this blizzardy weather. So I might wait a bit until the snow settles and try to clean off. And I'll show you what the tent looks like at the moment. It's pretty snowy, so yeah, not the best conditions, but good enough for a stress test. So that's it for me. Peace out.